What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp. First, launch the WhatsApp on your device. Tap the updates located at the bottom left of the screen. Then in here, you need to leave all of the channels that you have joined or follow. To do that, tap on the channel, then tap the three dots icon at the top right, then select unfollow. Tap the unfollow again to confirm. Now do this to all of the channels. And after that, it should be able to bring back the update status on vertical style. If you follow again a channel, it will bring that back to its horizontal one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.